Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm filming on my bed today because the lighting is just right in here and it seems to be the quietest place in the house. The kids have off school because it's MLK Day, so um, I am trying to sneak away. If you hear a dog barking, I apologize. Um, I wanted to continue on where I had left off on my December daily. I worked a little bit more on it. So I wanted to give you some more pages. I want to thank everyone who took time out of their day to watch my videos. I am mainly making these because I love watching videos like this and they're fun to watch, and I spend a lot of time watching other people's videos, and I just thought that I would try my hand at it just for fun. So I hope you'll continue to join me as I continue making these videos. I apologize for the first video I put up. Apparently my phone was upside down and I didn't realize it, and my son actually called that to my attention. But I can't reload it because it's already posted and everything. So hopefully you were able to see the first 6 days by turning your camera. If not, I really apologize. And I've since then learned how to film correctly. So this is all brand new to me, so I'm just winging it here. But so I'll continue where I left off. So this is day 7 of my December daily for 2017. Sorry if my camera wiggles a little bit. We have been making puzzles since October, one a month, just for fun, and this is the one that we chose for December. So that was day 7. We ended up getting done with it just a few days before Christmas. So, and then day 8, my husband took me to Chicago for my birthday. I turned 50 in late November, and December was the first time that he had he could get off of work so we could go. So Chicago's a couple hours from us, so this is driving into the city. And then here is another one of just the two of us. We don't get to get away very often, just the two of us. So my main present was a trip to see why we went to Chicago was my husband got us tickets to Wicked. So that was really fun. I'd always wanted to see a Broadway play, and I got to do it, so that was really neat. And I put the playbill in here because I wanted to keep that as a memento in my December daily, so I just punched holes in that. And here is a photo of myself standing in front of the Wicked sign before we went in. And here's the theater. It's beautiful. Beautiful theater. And then we went out to eat at a very old restaurant that I think is about 100 years old, and they had minstrels singing Christmas carols. So that was really fun. And here's a picture that my husband took of me. I don't find myself very photogenic, so this photo I kind of liked with the glow of the Christmas tree behind me, and I was feeling fancy that night. So this is another one of those half pages that I punched with the Martha Stewart punch, And day 9 we went to Macy's in downtown Chicago. And of course, when you go to Macy's and there's a Starbucks there, you stop and you get some Starbucks. So there's a photo of my husband ordering and me with my iced coffee. So, and then on the 10th, we went to Christkindl Market in downtown Chicago, which is a German market, and they sell all kinds of neat Christmassy things. And here I'm drinking some hot chocolate because it was a very, very cold day. All bundled up. Yep, that's still the day 10th. And then here's a photo of some of the ornaments in Christkindl Market. And I wanted to show a photo of that, and they were so beautiful. There are thousands and thousands of different kinds of ornaments. We brought a few home. And then after we got done at Christkindl Market, we went back to Macy's. And we had lunch at the Walnut Room, which they have a 3-story high. My M looks like it's a little crunch there. A 3 stories high tree that right in the center of the room that makes it kind of special. It's really kind of neat. And then my last page that I've gotten to so far on day 10 is a photo of my husband and I at the Walnut Room in front of the tree. So it was really a fun time. So that is the end of my December daily so far, days 7 through 10, and our trip to Chicago. So thank you for joining me, and hopefully you'll come back and see the continuation of my December daily. It should be a little bit, it should go a little bit faster because we went home on the 10th. So all the rest will probably just be one day layouts. So thank you for joining me. Keep on scrapbooking.